In this video, I will compare the Hume Band 2.0 and the Apple Watch to help you decide which wearable fits your lifestyle. While both track health, they have very different goals. The Hume Band 2.0 is a specialized, clinical-grade powerhouse designed for body composition. It tracks a staggering 45 metrics, including intracellular water health, metabolic age, and segmental fat percentages for your arms, legs, and trunk. It even flags muscle asymmetry between your left and right limbs. A standout feature here is the longevity. Hume offers an impressive 10-year warranty that covers all advanced sensors and includes on-request recalibration to prevent accuracy drift. It is the clear winner for users focused on lean mass preservation and deep physiological data, especially if you are navigating a weight loss journey where tracking fat versus muscle ratio is critical. Moving to the Apple Watch, the trade-off is specialized data for a massive ecosystem of connectivity and lifestyle features. Whether you choose the Series 11, the budget-friendly SE3, or the rugged Ultra 3, you are getting a device that blends health with safety and communication. Apple wins on integration, allowing you to stream music via AirPods or view cycling metrics as a live activity on your iPhone. While it offers heart rate and activity rings, its focus is more on general fitness, safety features like fall detection, and daily productivity. If you want a device that handles calls and acts as a digital assistant, Apple is the way to go. However, for those who want to master their body composition with a decade of guaranteed sensor accuracy, the Hume Band takes the prize. Which of these health philosophies do you prefer?